Black holes are one of the most misunderstood concepts of space. Based on their name, you wouldn't think very much of them. Black holes are the most dangerous places in space with no escape. Because of their discrete color, it is impossible to find them without the use of a telescope. Sir Isaac Newton was the first to discover the force that keeps everything together in our planet and solar system, known as gravity. A black hole is a place where the gravity is so strong that not even light can come through. When a star is dying, matter becomes tightly squeezed into a tiny space, forming a black hole in its place. Black holes occur when a massive star is at the end of its life. The size of a black hole can vary, but the mass is always significant. So this leads to much bigger questions. Like, for one, could Earth ever be sucked into a black hole? Or could the sun eventually turn into a black hole? The answer to both of these questions is no. There are 3 reasons for this. 1, there isn't any black holes close to our solar system. 2, the sun would never be big enough to form a black hole, and by chance if it ever did, then it would be impossible for the Earth to be sucked into it. It would only orbit the black hole. This is because it would have the same exact gravity as the sun and the mass would stay constant. I find black holes very interesting, even though we already know so much about them. But I feel like there's so much more that we could learn.